how to reset Wiki password. Let's see this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. Here I am with Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for wiki.com. Soon after entering, you will be taken to the official web page of Wiki. Here in the right hand side you can see there is a text box for entering your phone number. For logging to your Wiki account, you have to enter and go for sign in option. Once you go for sign in, there will be a text field where you have to enter your password associated with your Wiki account. But if you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, you have to go for this forgot password or haven't set it up yet option. And this QR will be popped out where you have to go for no reset password option at the bottom. And after that you have to go for continue over here. And this section is confirmed by using your phone number. You have to go for continue. And you'll receive a call in your phone number. You have to enter the last 4 digits of the phone number that you receive a call from. After you receive the call, you have to enter the 4 digits and you'll be opened up to this interface. And account will be displayed. If it's your account, then you can go for yes, this is my account. But if this isn't your account, then you can go for this is not my account. After clicking over there, you will be opened up to this text fields. So finally you will be able to reset a new password. So in the first text box you need to enter a new password that you want to set, but you must remember that the password must contain at least 8 characters including your number and special characters like exclamatory sign, quotation, hashtags and others. And you have to reset your new password again in the second text box. And after entering, you can go for confirm. And after doing that, you can see the password has been reset and I have been logged into my account. So this is how you reset Wiki account. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.